Goa has marked of 76.06%. This is the total highest percentage recorded in the parliamentary election this time. In North Goa, the polling percentage was 77.69, and whereas in South Goa it is 74.47. So during this whole process from 16th March, once Model Code of Conduct comes into picture, the seized figure is 17.82 crore. So this time it is the highest one, and for 82 lakh. It is almost 40% higher than what we seized in 2022 assembly election 2 years back, and 55% more than in 2019, what we seized during that 2019. Okay, we will provide you the details. 17.82 crore, and in 2019 Lok Sabha it was 11.5, whereas in 22 assembly election it was 12.72 crore.